Macanudo Maduro Crystal. Hi, my name is Adrian, MajesticSmoke.com, and today we have a look at this beautiful Maduro cigar, which is sealed in a glass tube, handmade in Dominican Republic. As you can see, the cigar is very dark and oily, so you would expect full body cigar, but surprisingly it's very smooth and mild, which makes it one of the mildest Maduro cigars in the world. Macanudo producing cigars since 1971 and is very well known for making amazing mild to medium blends. This Maduro blend is made of Connecticut broadleaf wrapper, Mexican San Andres binder, and Dominican and Mexican fillers. Main flavors are chocolate and coffee, with some notes of cedar and sweet cream on the finish. When it comes to presentation, Macanudo Maduro Crystal has typical Cuban style box made of Spanish cedar. Inside the box you'll find 8 sealed glass tube cigars, and they will stay fresh until the very moment you decide to smoke one. Macanudo Maduro Crystal, MajesticSmoke.com.